Xylitol is a sweetener used in many products, with one of the most common being sugarless chewing gum. Completely harmless to humans, xylitol is unfortunately toxic in dogs. Xylitol is extracted from certain plants and manufactured into a white powder that tastes similar to sugar. The popularity of xylitol has grown as demand for low-sugar food increases, and xylitol is now being used in oral care products, pharmaceuticals, and as a sugar-sparing food additive. Sugar-free chewing gum or sweets, mouthwash, and cough syrup are just a few examples of the products which frequently contain toxic levels of xylitol. The effect of xylitol in other species has been poorly documented, but rabbits, ferrets, and cats may be affected to a varying extent. It is to note that some peanut butter brands contain xylitol, so care should be taken to check the ingredients when using peanut butter as a treat. It should also be noted that very small amounts of xylitol found in some pet products such as toothpaste are well below threshold and will not cause any harm to your pet. So the mechanism of xylitol works as such. Blood sugar is controlled by the release of insulin from the pancreas. A rise in blood sugar leads to a rise in insulin, which reduces blood sugar in turn. This keeps the amount of sugar in the blood level within safe levels. In humans, xylitol does not stimulate the pancreas to produce insulin, as it is not true sugar. In dogs, however, xylitol does cause the pancreas to react, sending high levels of insulin into the blood. This flood of insulin causes sugar levels in the blood to drop from normal to dangerously low. Low blood sugar is known as hypoglycemia and can occur as little as 10 minutes after a dog ingests xylitol. Normal blood sugar levels are vital for the function of all the cells in the body. Untreated, xylitol-induced hypoglycemia can lead to liver failure and can even be life-threatening. Only small amounts of xylitol need to be ingested to see signs. A medium-sized dog can be affected by severe hypoglycemia from as little as 2 pieces of sugar-free gum. So any dog that has eaten a product containing xylitol should see a vet. The sign of xylitol poisoning hypoglycemia develops fast, usually within 15 to 30 minutes of ingestion. These signs include vomiting, weakness, incoordination, depression and lethargy, tremors, seizures, and coma. The most severe cases may develop liver failure or bleeding disorders alongside the hypoglycemia. If you are concerned your dog may have eaten a xylitol-containing products, take them to your local vet immediately. Fast and aggressive veterinary treatment is essential to reverse the hypoglycemia and hopefully prevent the development of more severe signs. Your vet may induce vomiting in your dog if the ingestion was recent enough, and depending on the results of the blood test, which can monitor blood sugar levels. Putting your dog on a drip will allow your vet to treat any hypoglycemia and also begin to correct any electrolyte imbalances that may have developed as a result. The most common of this is a low potassium level. Your dog will have to stay at the vet's to be monitored, have their blood sugar level stabilized, receive liver protectants if appropriate, and have any other required supportive care. Early treatment before symptoms develops or of uncomplicated hypoglycemia often has a good prognosis. Unfortunately, if complications with the liver arise, a dog develops seizures or bleeding disorders, or they slip into a coma and the prognosis becomes very grave. Swift treatment of any poisoning is very important, but the rapid action of xylitol means speed is really of the essence. Getting dogs which have or may have consumed xylitol to the vets as fast as possible is the best recommendation and has the best prognosis. Naturally, prevention is better than cure, and making sure any products you use at home which contain xylitol are safely stored is the easiest way to stop poisoning from occurring. Taking the time to check ingredients labels is time well spent, as this is a great way to identify products you may not have thought of as being a risk for your dog. So if you think your dog may have ingested xylitol, please contact your local vets immediately. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.